Welcome to KC's Plumbing and Heating. We are super excited to help you solve any plumbing, heating, or clogged drain issue you may have right now. We specialize in solutions to difficult plumbing problems. With KC's Plumbing, you can have us fix a plumbing leak, repair a broken furnace, replace a hot water tank, install new plumbing pipes, unclog a drain. Discover why we are a household name in the Tri-Cities area, excellent reviews on Google, approved sewer separation contractor, water heater replacement experts, boiler maintenance specialists. Reach out, call us anytime for a free consultation on any plumbing, heating, or drain-related issue. Set an appointment if you feel comfortable with us on the phone. Our work warranty ensures your satisfaction. You can find us online here, www.kcplum.ca. For any questions, feel free to call us or use the contact form. KC's Plumbing, Heating, and Drain Services.